Good morning, children. Good morning, my dear friends. Today I am here with the topic how you can organize your files and folder. Okay, as you are looking here, computer icon, recycle bin, and here is the folder. And you are looking, as you double click on the folder, the inside file will be appear. And you are looking here, I have created already one drawing file, and I have created one Microsoft Word file. Okay, as you are looking, I have here written I want to delete it, suppose, and I want to rewrite anything in the Microsoft Word. You are looking here, contents inserted. This is our okay. In this way you can make your file properly. Okay, children, this is the content. Okay, after this you have to click on the save button. You can save from here, quick access toolbar, or you can go to the file tab and click on the save button and close your application. Okay, now you are looking, suppose this file if I delete from keyboard, then it will store in the recycle bin. Okay, move in the recycle bin. For if in the future whenever you require that file, you can access from there. Okay, there are two methods of deleting any file or folder: by using the keyboard, by using the mouse. As you are looking here, if you want to delete this file, you have to select the folder by clicking here and go to the backspace key. You are looking here, or delete key. Two keys are here, but you have to select firstly the folder, go to the delete key. It asks to you, are you sure you want to move this folder to the recycle bin? As you click yes, then you will find that folder will be listed in the recycle bin. Okay, you can find the folder, this folder. Okay, children, one thing is more, if you are searching any file or folder, always remember the files and folder always listed in the alphabetic order. When you search any file, then you have to press the first letter of your file or folder from the keyboard. Suppose I have to search the my folder name, then I will click on the S. You are looking here, S by S letter I have search my folder name, and now I have to restore this folder. Then we have to click here, restore option. You are looking here, the folder again appear on the desktop. It means from where you delete any file or folder, it will goes to the recycle bin, and again you restore, that folder will be placed its original location, previous location only. Okay, suppose I have deleted any folder or file from here. You are looking here, here is many files and folders. Suppose this folder this PPT I want to delete, then I have pressed the delete key from the keyboard. It is asking me, are you sure you want to move this file to recycle bin? I have pressed S. I have seen here कि my PPT file has been moved in the recycle bin. What is the name of my file? PPT PTM. Okay, again I have restored my file. You are looking here, from this it will again goes to the that particular location. Again we will go on D drive. We are looking here, my file again here appear. Okay, in this way children, you are looking files always when you restore file. Suppose you are thinking this file should not delete, then you can restore from the recycle bin. Okay, this is the recycle bin, about the recycle bin and deletion and restoring the file. You want to rename the file or empty the recycle bin. रिसाइकिल बिन को भी हम रीनेम कर सकते हैं, एज वी हैव चेंज द नेम ऑफ फाइल एंड फोल्डर. वी कैन आल्सो चेंज द नेम ऑफ द फाइल recycle bin also. Or here is you are looking the empty recycle bin, create shortcut and rename. Suppose you want to change the name of the recycle bin dustbin. Okay, you are looking here, it has been changed, and as you double click you have seen here in the recycle bin option, empty, restore all item, दो ऑप्शन यहाँ पर आपको दिख रहा है. You can change these list in small size, small icon, large icon, as you are looking here. Okay, list form, and if you apply the detail, then it will show you the detail of the file name, original location, where the file has been created and stored, which date created or deleted. Okay, modified date means which file has been changed in contents. फाइल को जिस दिन ओपन किया गया होगा, that is known as modified date. Modify means होता है चेंज करना. Okay, this is the type of file. Okay, file or folder. Which file you are looking here? Temp file, file folder. You are looking OD file, temp file. These are the categories of files and folder. साइज आल्सो हियर कि कितने साइज की कौन सी फाइल है. ओके, यू कैन चेंज द दिस व्यू ऑप्शन. दिस इज द व्यू ऑप्शन. change the view, change your view of files and folder. Here is also you are looking, if you want to see the preview of the file and folder, just like I have selected any file which is deleted and with the property, then you have to suppose one thing, go to the any file from the computer. I am displaying to you. See here is option also available. You are looking here C drive. This is C drive, this is D drive. Children, mainly the C or D drive which you have listen about the hard disk. Hard disk is mainly divided into two parts in your computer. Some computer only one part, that is C drive. And here is the operating system. You are looking the icon of Windows. Here is install the all program. So never store any file or folder in C drive because there is the operating system. Always save any your file by making the folder inside the D drive, so that if this operating system craft are not performing well, then your file will not destroy or delete. If you save on D drive, then you will, after formatting the system of C drive and reinstallation of Windows, you can get this drive files and folder again. That's why I am saying you have to not save your file on C drive. You should always save your file on D drive. Okay. Listen, you are looking here large हम कर सकते हैं. And suppose I want to show details of any drive. You are looking the different views of files. Double click on that particular drive. Suppose I want to see the detail of file. You are looking here, preview item is here. I have on the preview, but here is not allowed for the preview. Some files can see the preview. Some files provide the facility to see the preview of files. Okay, like this you are looking here. Here is the written rapid fire team number 1. Here is written the some questions you are looking here, and this is the content. Okay, and PPT will not displayed. Okay, and in the same way, if you use the Excel file, then you can see the detail. Okay, children, in this way we can see the files and folder in detail, and we can select the files and folder. How? This is also main thing, children. As you know, we have to show the large icon. I have clicked here. As you want to select the many folders and files, in this way you should select. Okay, in this way you should select the files and folder. Just like here, I want to select these files and folder. We can select in this way. And if you want to select by leaving the few folder and files, then you should always select the control key. Firstly, hold the control key, click one by one the files and folder and programs which you want to select. Okay, just like me. And if you want to select the continuously, you can use the shift key, hold the shift key and then select. Shift key will select continuously the files and folder. As you are looking here, I have selected all the things. Okay, in this way you can select the files and folder. Clear? I hope it is clear, everyone. Okay, thank you for watching my video.